Hello and welcome to this review of Eaglefx. Eaglefx is a broker that offers the trading of CFDs through STP ECN. STP ECN is a model where the broker doesn't take the other side of the trade, meaning no conflict of interest. Rather, it passes on the trades to third-party Tier 1 liquidity providers. So this is a serious broker that is acting in a very sophisticated way. Eaglefx is perfect for beginner traders or for more advanced traders. Let's take a look at some of the benefits and features of working with Eaglefx. We're looking at a mere minimum deposit of $10, which is very low indeed. Now, Eaglefx does offer demo trading. However, it's well worth to start using just $10 and to get the real kind of impact, the real feel of what it's like to trade in a real market. As a demo account is an excellent way to practice, but to understand how it really feels to make money, this is the way to go. You can take advantage of a really high leverage with this broker. Now, high leverage means amplifying your capital. So the higher the leverage, the more your capital is amplified. For instance, with this 500 times leverage, that means every dollar you trade with is multiplied 500 times. Now, this does, of course, increase the reward, but it also magnifies the risk too. So do be aware of that. And if you really don't know how to trade, then just be wary of using high leverage. You can trade here on 55 different currencies, and the broker also offers cryptocurrency trading too. In addition, it also lets you deposit by using Bitcoin, as well as Visa and a variety of other ways, which we'll look at in just a minute. You can also trade on 11 indices and 32 digital currencies with a starting minimum lot of just 0.01. Signing up here is really easy, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how that works. But first, I just want to quickly go through the website and show you what you need to know here. So you can speak to somebody 24/7. 24 hours, 7 days a week. And there are a variety of ways to get in touch, including the live chat feature. So as you can see, you put in your name, email and phone number and somebody comes online very, very quickly. So that's a great way to have your questions answered instantly. They also have an FAQ section of the website here. So that's also another great way to solve your queries very fast. You can also email the company and phone them too. So in order to start trading then, you will have to open an account. And once you've done that, you'll have access to the variety of platforms on offer, which include MT4 for Windows, MT4 for iOS, MT4 for Android, and the web trader. Bear in mind, MT4 is an excellent platform no matter what kind of trader you are, whether you're a beginner trader or a more professional trader. So MT4 is the most popular trading platform for Forex traders. So I'm just going to go ahead and open an account now and show you how the MT4 platform looks. Excellent. That took me about 30 seconds to open up an account there. Literally just typed in my name and my email, and then I had the option to choose if I wanted to use hedging. Now, hedging is another great feature which you can learn about when you're learning about trading Forex. So as you can see, this is the MT4 web trader. This means you don't need to download any software at all in order to use this. On the left side of the platform, you'll see a list of assets. If you right click on this list, you can click on show all, and this brings up all of the available assets. As you can see, there's majors and minor currencies. You've got the indices here, or the major indices. You've got some commodities, including oil and gold, and then you've got further currency pairs, and also you've got the cryptocurrency list here, which is an amazing strong list, and also you've got some stocks here too. So these are global stocks, and it's well worth having a look at this list. It's really got a very well populated list here. Then you've got the chart on the right hand side. So if you want to start trading, there's several ways you can do that. You could start by selecting the asset you want to trade on the left, double click on it. This will open up the trading ticket. From here, type in the amount of volume you'd like to trade, any stop loss or take profit, which are your risk management tools. And then you can choose an instant execution or a pending order. A pending order will trigger the order for later on. Market execution is instant execution, and simply sell or buy. And once you've done that, it shows that that was successful. Now at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, I have an open position, and if I want to close that, I can simply click on the X. I have to enact one-click trading, which is obviously a very good and fast way to execute trades. Press on the X and that trade is then closed. The other way I can open a trade is by clicking on the sell or buy button. Can you see that? That's literally opened up the position in a millisecond there, so that's excellent. And what else is important to know when using the MT4? The charting, there's a variety of different things you can do with charts, including changing the time frame, drawing on the charts, changing the type of chart you're using, or indeed using indicators. So this is a great way to create signals for yourself. Entry and exit points too. You can draw trend lines here. Simply click on the one of your choice, type in any parameters, press OK. That then overlays on the chart or underlays, as you can see in the trading window. And by the way, you can use this same platform on mobile, and it has pretty much all of these features too. If you want to use automated trading, then you will need to download the MT4 version. In order to do that, the web trader doesn't have EAs, which are expert advisors. But this was a little look at the MT4 brought to you by Eaglefx. So that was a look at the platform, and I opened a demo account straight away by clicking on the web trader and going straight there. But you can, of course, open a demo account this way or open a live account through here. You can take a look at all the spreads on offer from this broker, and you can also see those on the platform itself. And I just want to show you how you can actually fund an account now, because as mentioned, you can do that through Bitcoin, through Visa, and through wire transfer too. You can also use PayPal, prepaid MasterCard, Coinbase, and Bitcoin. So there you have it. Just quickly before we go, I want to show you some live spreads so you get an idea of how generous the spreads are here. We're looking at the benchmark Euro USD for 1.2 pips, which is not too bad at all. Very, very competitive. And these are the spreads on the cryptos. There you have it. So this was a little look at Eaglefx. If you have any questions, you can speak to the company directly through live chat, submit a ticket, or request a callback, and you can simply and easily open an account in just minutes. Happy trading with Eaglefx.